Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 upon 3 times the corresponding sides. Now dear friend, the fraction given to you is improper, 4 upon 3. That means you are going to draw the triangle outside the given triangle. Now here in triangle ABC, measure angle A is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180. Now A lies on the upper side, so we cannot draw measure angle A. So we have to find out measure angle C. So 105 plus 45 plus measure angle C is equal to 180. Measure angle C is equal to 180 minus 150. So measure angle C is equal to 30. Now let us start our construction. First of all, you are going to draw a line, okay, where BC is equal to BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and then you are going to extend the line, okay, from C to the opposite of CB. Now from point B you are going to draw 45 degree. So first you have to draw 90 degree. So with any radius from point B you are going to draw an arc, and with the same radius from this point you are going to cut one point, that is 60 degree, and from that you are going to cut another point, that is 120 degree. From these two arcs you are going to draw two arcs intersecting each other. From that point of intersection to point B you are going to draw a dotted line which will be 90 degree. Now you have to bifurcate, okay, this angle 90 into two parts. So from this point and this point, okay, these two dark points, this point and this point, I am going to draw an arc, okay, intersecting each other. From point B and intersecting point, I am going to draw a ray BY, okay, BY. Here I want 30 degree. So first of all I have to draw 60 degree. So from point C you are going to draw an arc, and with the same radius from this point you are going to cut the previous arc, okay, that will be 60 degree. From this point and this point, the intersecting point, this point and this point, you are going to draw two arcs intersecting each other, okay, and from the intersecting point you are going to draw line AC which will be 30 degree, so that angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. From now you are going to draw angle CBX such that measure angle CBX is an acute angle. From point B and suitable radius, draw an arc intersecting ray BX at point B1. From B1 draw another arc B2 intersecting B1X at point B2. Same way you draw B3 and B4. Now join B3 and C. From point B3 you are going to draw an arc. With the same radius you are also going to draw an arc from B4. Now you measure between the distance between this point and this point, okay, this point and this point, and from this point you are going to draw an arc. From the intersecting point you are going to draw B4C dash, okay. From point C, any suitable radius, you are going to draw an arc. Then with point C, with the same radius, you are going to draw an arc, this one, okay, this arc and this arc. First you are going to draw this arc and this arc from C dash. Now you measure the distance between the two arcs, and from this point you cut the previous arc. From the intersecting point and from point C1, draw a line A dash C dash. That is your given construction. Steps of constructions are given below. You are going to do question number 7 yourself. I have just drawn a rough figure for you how to construct question 7. Thank you.